Ticking clock, lingering doubts, the Marcellus Williams case. The clock is ticking. Each second brings Marcellus Williams closer to his execution. He sits on death row in Missouri. His crime? The murder of Leisha Gale. But a haunting question lingers. Did he really do it? Evidence is questioned. Yet the system grinds on, seemingly indifferent to the possibility of a horrifying mistake. Williams' case is a stark reminder of the fallibility of our justice system. It forces us to confront the uncomfortable truth. We might be about to execute an innocent man. We must ask ourselves, can we, with a clear conscience, take a life when doubt remains? A question of evidence, DNA, and the shadow of doubt. The prosecution presented DNA evidence. They claimed it linked Williams to the crime scene, but a closer look reveals inconsistencies, casting a long shadow of doubt. The DNA found on the murder weapon, a butcher knife, later revealed a shocking truth. It belonged to members of the prosecutor's office. They had handled the evidence, contaminating it with their own DNA. This revelation is deeply troubling. It undermines the very foundation of the prosecution's case. The lack of other physical evidence connecting Williams to the crime deepens the sense of unease. To proceed with the execution based on such shaky ground would be a grave miscarriage of justice. Unlikely allies, when justice and mercy converge. In a surprising turn of events, an unlikely alliance emerged. The victim's family and the St. Louis County prosecuting attorney Wesley Bell joined forces. Their goal, clemency for Marcellus Williams. This unusual pairing speaks volumes about the doubts surrounding the case. Leisha Gale's family, seeking closure, believed that Williams's execution wouldn't bring them peace. Bell, elected on a promise to right wrongful convictions, echoed the family's concerns. The possibility of executing an innocent man weighed heavily on his conscience. Executing a man on doubtful evidence helps no one. Section 4. Years of uncertainty. A life in legal limbo. Marcellus Williams' case is a story of legal twists and turns, a long and arduous battle for justice, multiple stays of execution, numerous appeals, over 2 decades of uncertainty. His life has been lived in the shadow of death row. In 2015, the Missouri Supreme Court halted his execution to allow for more DNA testing. In 2017, then-Governor Eric Greitens issued a stay and appointed a panel of retired judges to review the case. These delays underscore the deep-seated doubts surrounding Williams's guilt. Section 5. The stakes of a life, morality, ethics, and the death penalty. The death penalty is a moral and ethical minefield. It's a punishment that allows for no do-overs, no second chances. When we sentence someone to death, we must be absolutely certain of their guilt. The Marcellus Williams case, with its cloud of doubt, throws the morality of capital punishment into sharp relief. The prosecution built its case on circumstantial evidence and the testimony of unreliable witnesses. But without a direct link, without irrefutable proof, can we justify taking a life? The possibility of executing an innocent man should give us all pause. The Williams case is a moral and ethical crossroads. Section 6. A glimmer of hope in the face of injustice. Despite the grim circumstances, a glimmer of hope remains in the face of this potential injustice. The unusual alliance between the victim's family and the prosecutor, the tireless efforts of Williams's legal team, and the growing public awareness of the case all offer a ray of light. The very fact that this case has garnered so much attention that it has sparked debate and ignited passions is a testament to the enduring belief in justice. It shows that we, as a society, are not yet numb to the possibility of error. The fight for Marcellus Williams is a fight for the very soul of our justice system. It's a fight for a system that values truth above all else. The outcome of this case remains uncertain. We must never stop fighting for a system that truly lives up to its name, a system that is truly just.